Okay guys, are you ready to see the final reveal of our new Oceanfront Condo Renovation project?
Let's do it.
Should we show them?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ready?
Okay, let's show them.
Let's do it.
So what'd y'all think? It was a good before and after, huh? What do you think?
I think it looks amazing. I can't believe how this whole thing turned out. I always, no matter how many of these we do, every single time I'm always shocked, even though I know it's coming. And it looks amazing. So,
And this one only took a little over a month to do, and with the furniture, all the kitchen supplies and everything, we spent about $35,000 for this refresh. And that is, you know, doing all of the renovations that we did and replacing every single piece of furniture, every single piece of kitchen item, toasters, coffee makers, you name it. So I think that was pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not upset about it. So always would like it to be less, but we also want to make sure that we put our touch on it and that it's what we would expect if we were using the condo.
And I think we maximize the space for sure, because we have a queen sleeper in the great room. We have the king size bed in the bedroom. And so we can accommodate 4 guests. I think that's going to do really well in the rentals, direct oceanfront end unit. We're going to put a link to our rental in the description below. So if you know anybody or you're making a trip to Myrtle Beach and you want to stay in our condo, we have the link for you. Should we give a discount code?
Yeah. Why
Use
not?
the discount code YouTube and you can get a 10% discount on your stay.
We should also put links to the stuff that we put in our rental. All the things that we put inside this unit, what we use inside all of our units, from coffee machines to, bedding covers, anything that we think that we like, that we keep using on a continual basis. We're gonna put links in our videos so that if you're looking for those items because you have an Airbnb or you wanna start doing it, you can find those items on Amazon. A lot of our stuff comes from Amazon when it comes to those types of products. And so the things that we're happy with, we put the links in our videos down below for you.
There's so many things that you forget to buy when you're stocking an entire condo for somebody. It's a lot to think about. And so we're trying right now to curate some really easy lists for y'all, so you can go to our little shop on Amazon and just see everything that we put in all of our condos. It's tried and true. We've used them multiple times over the years. We're going to keep adding to this list, so make sure to check back. But we just felt like we'd give y'all a starter list for now.
Well, the main thing is we're doing it because when we first started, we didn't have any place to go. And I wish we had that. I wish we had a place where we could go that someone said, hey, we've already done this work. These products are good. We have them in our condos. People like them. They're proven. And that's what we're trying to offer to you. So don't use them, use them. It's up to you. But it is products that we already use and we know that we like. And our clients do too. So just so you know.
So check that out. Check out our rental listing, and our other properties are on there as well. And give us your feedback. What did you think about this renovation? We are working actively on finding our next project. So be sure, if you haven't yet, to hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, because you're not going to want to miss our future projects. We've got some really cool ideas up our sleeves.
So, we wanted to just let everybody know this is our third Oceanfront condo renovation. And the reason why we put this on YouTube is because we want all of you to know that if we can do it, then you can too. And, in the beginning, we had never done it and we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into. We did it and then we were like, wow, I really enjoyed that. And then we did another one and then we did another one. So if you have something that you have a question about or you have something that you would like to see us do, you should let us know. But do you have anything to add to that?
I think that our system of going in and finding not so great condos, doing something special and unique with them, furnishing them nicely, marketing them well, and it's been very successful for us as short-term rental properties. So I think it's a good path, and this is our third one, and let's just keep doing it.
Yeah, I'm excited to do more. We have some other things that we're planning that are up our sleeve. But, there's pros and cons to everything. So if you have questions and you're like, hey, I don't know if this is for me. I think it is. I really like what you guys do. I'd like to do it. And you're questioning or you're curious, reach out. That's why we have this channel. We're here to help you.
We've said before, short-term rental properties aren't for everybody. If you need a path, make sure to watch our videos on our channel. We kind of try to guide y'all as best we can to help you from making mistakes we've made and also all the time we spent figuring it out along the way. Also, if you're interested in buying your own slice of the beach, give us a call. We'd love to help you find the right property.
Tiffany, should we share with them our marketing video for the condo rental?
Definitely, let's do it. Well, thanks for tuning in again to this renovation project. And like we said, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.